loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lakeisha and I am back with another video. If eyebrows is your struggle, then you're at the right video. Today's video will be about eyebrows. So if this is a technique you want to master, then I suggest you stay and watch this video. 4 simple things you need to achieve your eyebrows: spoolie, a concealer brush, a flat concealer brush, eyeliner, not a regular beauty store eyeliner pencil, and you would need a cream concealer. Whichever concealer of your choice, just make sure it's a cream concealer. You could go ahead and get you a $2 eyebrow pencil from the beauty store. Make sure you get your items and let's get started. So your girl is up to 70 subscribers and I would like to thank you all for subscribing. I am proud. So first we're going to take our spoolie and we're going to brush our hairs up. I'm going to go ahead and clean up underneath your eyebrows and make sure everything is clean up underneath. I usually use the eyebrow lift, but not everybody have an eyebrow lift, so we're not going to use that today. We're going to take our eyebrow pencil. Make sure yours is sharpened. Mine is not, but make sure yours is sharpened. We're going to lightly brush on, giving it light feather strokes. We don't want a big dark eyebrow. Then you want to create your arch. You want to follow your natural arch and just darken that up and fill in any hairs that need to fill in. Not everybody have a full eyebrow. If you need hair-like strokes in the front, you go ahead and you do light feather strokes in the front. When I say light, I mean light. You don't want that big Nike tick box in the front. Light feather strokes. Then you're going to do the same thing for the other eyebrow. You're going to fill in where it needs to be filled in. And I pretty much have thick eyebrows. I am actually letting them grow back. I would always cut them off. And you want to fill in the tail. And you want your tail to stop right here. I'm not looking in the camera because I'm looking in a little mirror. So that's why you would see me looking off to the side. But you want to go and fill in any hairs that needs to be filled in. Once everything is filled in, you want to just take your creamy concealer and your flat brush. And when I say a flat brush, you want to make sure it's flat. Now we're going to take our brush and just pick up some of this concealer. And we're going to start from the middle of our eyebrows. Light stroke. Whatever concealer you put there, you're going to drag it downward towards your eyes. And this is the reason why I would say make sure you clean up underneath your eyebrows, because it gives it a nice clean look. So lightly, we're going to draw a line to meet the middle, what we already do. And we're just going to keep doing that until we get to the front. And we're going to drag everything down. Let's do the next one. Same technique, start from the middle and little strokes. We're going to do that till we reach to the end. If you don't have a steady hand especially, you could use little strokes. Take your time and then drag the concealer down. Light strokes till you reach to the middle and drag that down. You following? So now we're going to take whatever's left. You could take whatever's left on the brush, or you could use a foundation the color of your skin tone. And we're just going to hold it flat against the forehead. And we're just going to lightly Lightly curl this back. Light strokes. Wherever you stop is where you start. Then you're just going to take the brush, and you notice I didn't start from here because I wanted to have like a ombre look. So I start from like little ways back instead of starting right here. And you just want to make sure you blend that in. Just take your brush and brush it out. And you have a nice eyebrow. To the next side, light strokes. Make sure you hold it flat against the forehead. Light strokes. So wherever you stop is where you start. I remember when I felt like my eyebrows should look like twins. Until I realized they don't have to be, but long as they're close enough, long as they look like sisters, I'm good. So I'm just gonna take the brush and brush down. And you just want to blend everything out. Once you do that, take your concealer brush, go in with a little bit of setting spray, and then you just go in to blend everything out. Underneath, you want to just blend the concealer. You apply. If you use what's left on the brush, then it shouldn't be nothing up here to brush away. You should just be able to smooth everything out. You want to lightly feather the hairs in the front. I like to lightly feather them to give it an ombre look. If you just follow the steps that I gave you, your eyebrows should come out like this. Eyebrows take practice. Make sure you sit down in the mirror when you have some free time and practice your eyebrows. But these are some simple steps that you could use to do your eyebrows before you advance and go into the eyebrow lift and all those other fancy stuff. Make sure you get the basic technique down pat, what I just showed you, and you will have something like this.